It's in our nature to explore, to break free from the monotony of our daily routines. We're outdoor people, in search of outdoor adventures. And while we play outside, a fire is always a great place to gather and stay warm. Unfortunately, with the increasing threat of wildfires, the bulky size of most fire pits, and the dirty, smoky nature of common wood field fires, finding the right fire can be difficult. The Fire Can by Ignik, a safe, easy, packable campfire anywhere you go. The Fire Can comes ready to go with quick foldable legs and a removable lid, providing extra storage, with a 5-foot hose equipped with a quick connect socket for fast setup. The ignition pilot hole makes for reliable lighting without the hassle of those piezo igniters. Need a little more action to your flame? Easily add fire rocks or any other certified fire pit stone. The Fire Can has an adjustable flame controlled by the adjustable regulator valve and a flame screen to increase visibility and transmission of heat. The silicone handles provide extra protection and mobility. The Fire Can works great with the Ignik gas growler or larger tanks for longer adventures. When you're ready to pack it in, just turn it off and let it cool down. Store the hose and reattach the lid. The toolless setup makes breakdown easy and only takes seconds. Its compact and durable design make it perfect to stow anywhere you go. The Ignik Fire Can is a new kind of portable fire pit, made for those who love to play outdoors. Wherever your adventure takes you, the Fire Can is designed to keep you warm and let you stay out longer. Grab a Fire Can portable fire pit and enjoy a campfire anywhere you go.